The Fujifilm xh2 stands as a flagship APS-C mirrorless camera, delivering a remarkable 40.2MP resolution, 8K video capabilities, and robust build quality. Design and build quality. Constructed with a magnesium alloy body, the xh2 offers a durable and weather-sealed design, ensuring reliability in various shooting conditions. Its ergonomics are generally well received, featuring a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout. Sensor and image quality. At the heart of the xh2 is a 40.2MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 5HR sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with impressive detail and dynamic range. Autofocus and performance. The xh2 features an advanced autofocus system with subject recognition capabilities, providing reliable performance for both stills and video. Video capabilities. Videographers will appreciate the xh2's ability to record 8K video at up to 30p, as well as 6.2K and oversampled 4K footage. The camera supports various codecs, including ProRes, H.265, and H.264, offering flexibility for different workflows. Battery life and storage. Equipped with a battery rated for approximately 680 shots per charge, SEPA standard, the xh2 provides ample shooting time for most sessions. The camera features dual card slots, one CF Express Type B and one xh2 SD, facilitating high-speed data transfer and efficient workflow management. Overall, the Fujifilm xh2 is a compelling choice for professionals and enthusiasts seeking high-resolution imaging in an APS-C format.